everybody, this is Jason from Blue Weather. If you're not part of the Blue Weather community, like and subscribe below. We got some big changes coming, and it comes in the form of calling it a polar vortex. Now, the last time we talked about a polar vortex was several months ago, and it didn't really materialize as cold as what the models was trying to show. But this one here actually looks pretty promising. What you see here is the ensembles, and you can see for a while the ensembles have been showing possible big dip in the jet stream here, causing some cold air on the eastern part of the country. The operation models are starting to see some of this as well. This here on the GFS model, you'll notice single digits possible the middle of this month. Now, this is the week before Christmas, so the middle of the month, and you can see that there's several negatives and single digits here. That would be pretty daggone cold if that happens. And you can see here during that time, the projected wind chills could be in the negative range if it's that cold. Like I said, nothing's set in stone, but all signs are starting to point towards this. This could be the coldest, snowiest December that we have seen since the 2010 time frame. I believe it was 09 or 010. You know, the East Coast had a big pile of snow, 1 to 2 feet right before Christmas, and hung around for 2 or 3 months. The continued snow and the high elevations in West Virginia and Virginia. Some places like in Quinwood, West Virginia, I know for a fact myself, because I've seen it, had about 5 or 6 foot of snow that just would not melt. You couldn't even see the top of the cars because they had shoveled out so much snow. Now, this here is a future look at the GFS model. Don't pay attention to that snowstorm that it's showing, though be it, it's not out of the question. That is during the middle of the month. If we have this cold in place, and you have southern moisture come up the coast, you never know, but just ignore that for now. But just to give you an idea, you can see how far south that those blue lines, how far south they go into the south. This is a Canadian model, and you see it also shows a dip in the jet stream coming down through there. All right, guys, I just want to give you a heads up. It's looking to be brutally cold towards the middle of this month. With that may come snow showers. And hey, if you want a white Christmas, comment below. Let me know. Obviously, I can't grant it to you. But if it's in the forecast, I'll forecast it to you. Guys, you have a good one.